In this section, I will start Visual Studio 2019 to start creating our project. We click on Create, New, Project. We type Web Application, and we select it. We select the second one, ASP.NET Web Application.NET Framework, and I click on Next. Now I type Login Project 2000. Then you can select .NET Framework and click on Create, choose Empty and Web Forms, then create your own project. Now we are going to Solution Explorer to add a new ASPX file or the form. Click on New Item, select Web Form, and then login.aspx. You should see like this HTML rendered automatically. You can split the screen into two phases or two screens, and you click on Design. Now we will add the first label, and this label will be name user name, and we add a text box, and I reference to the text box txt username. The reference is not shown in the display solution. Now I go another label and I click on it to rename it to password, and of course another text box for password with a reference txt password. Now I will have to add a login button here. I click here and I click here and change the button to log in. Now I can play the solution. We can see that the page is rendered, and we will see one text box for username and one text box for password, and the button login. It's rendering now. It's okay. At the later stage we will do a style for this page to be more attractive.